Hello everyone, and welcome back to SS Express Media with Uzal Hussain, Sabaz. I completed post-graduation in the Dhaka University. Microphone # learn how to talk about your daily routine in English spoken English lessons for beginners. Have you ever felt nervous when someone asked you a simple question like, "Tell me about your daily routine"? Many English learners know the activities they do every day, but they struggle to explain them confidently in English. The good news is that talking about your daily routine is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your English speaking skills. It helps you learn common vocabulary, practice sentence structures, and build confidence in real-life conversations. In today's lesson, you will learn white heavy checkmark how to talk about your daily routine in English. White heavy checkmark useful daily routine vocabulary. White heavy checkmark common English expressions. White heavy checkmark speaking practice sentences. White heavy checkmark sample answers for school, college, job interviews, and IELTS speaking. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe your entire day naturally and confidently in English. So, let's get started. Sunrise Part 1. What is a daily routine? Microphone voiceover. A daily routine is a series of activities that we do regularly every day. Everyone has a daily routine. Some people wake up early, exercise, and start work. Others spend most of their day studying, attending classes, or working in an office. Learning how to describe your daily routine in English is important because it is one of the most common speaking topics in schools, colleges, job interviews, and English proficiency tests. When talking about your daily routine, we usually use the present simple tense because these activities happen regularly. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth every morning. I go to school by bus. I study English in the evening. I go to bed at 10 p.m. These sentences describe habits and repeated actions, which is why we use the present simple tense. Sun with Face Part 2. Morning Routine. Microphone voiceover. Let's begin with the morning routine. Most people start their day with several common activities. Learning these expressions will help you describe your morning clearly and naturally. Useful morning routine. I wake up early in the morning. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. As soon as I wake up, I drink a glass of water. Then I brush my teeth. After brushing my teeth, I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I have breakfast with my family. I prepare for school, college, or work. I leave home at around 8 o'clock. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I leave home. Excellent. Now repeat them one more time with confidence. Books Part 3. A student's daily routine. Microphone voiceover. Now let's learn how a student can talk about their daily routine. Sample speech. Hello everyone. Today, I would like to talk about my daily routine. I am a student, and I try to follow a disciplined schedule every day. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. After waking up, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I take a shower and get ready for the day. After that, I have breakfast with my family. Breakfast is an important meal because it gives me energy for the entire day. I leave for school at around 8 o'clock. I attend my classes regularly and listen carefully to my teachers. I also participate in classroom activities and try to learn something new every day. I return home in the afternoon and have lunch. After lunch, I take some rest before starting my studies again. In the evening, I complete my homework and revise my lessons. Sometimes I practice English speaking or read books to improve my knowledge. I also spend some time with my family and friends. At night, I have dinner with my family. Before going to bed, I review what I learned during the day. Finally, I go to sleep at around 10 o'clock. Thank you. Briefcase Part 4. A working professional's daily routine. Microphone voiceover. Now let's look at how a working professional can describe their daily routine. Sample speech. Hello everyone. Today, I am going to talk about my daily routine. I usually wake up at 5:30 in the morning. After completing my morning activities, I have a healthy breakfast and prepare for work. I leave my house at around 8 o'clock and travel to my workplace. I begin my workday at 9 o'clock. Throughout the day, I focus on my responsibilities and complete various tasks. During lunch break, I take some time to relax and refresh myself. In the evening, I finish my work and return home. After coming home, I spend quality time with my family. Sometimes I watch educational videos, read books, or learn new skills online. I have dinner at around 8 o'clock. Before going to bed, I plan my activities for the next day and check important messages or emails. Finally, I go to sleep at around 11 o'clock. Following a structured daily routine helps me stay productive and organized. Speaking Head in Silhouette Part 5. Daily Routine Conversation Practice. Microphone voiceover. Let's practice some common questions and answers. Question. What time do you wake up? Answer. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. Question. What do you do after waking up? Answer. After waking up, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Question. Do you exercise in the morning? Answer. Yes, I exercise every morning. Question. What do you do in the evening? Answer. I study, read books, and spend time with my family. Question. What time do you go to bed? Answer. I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock. Great job. Practice these questions every day to improve your speaking confidence. Open Book Part 6. Essential Daily Routine Vocabulary. Microphone voiceover. Let's learn some important daily routine vocabulary. Wake up. Brush teeth. Wash face. Take a shower. Get dressed. Have breakfast. Go to school.
Attends classe.
Take notes. Learn new things. Have lunch.
Doe mijn werk.
Study. Exercise. Read books. Watch television. Use the internet. Spend time with family. Have dinner. Go to bed. Sleep. The more vocabulary you learn, the easier it becomes to speak fluently. Glowing Star Part 7. Advanced Daily Routine Sentences. Microphone voiceover. If you want to sound more fluent and professional, use longer and more advanced sentences. Examples. As soon as I wake up, I drink a glass of water to stay hydrated. Although I sometimes feel tired, I never skip my morning exercise. After finishing my breakfast, I prepare myself for school. Whenever I have free time, I read books to improve my knowledge. Before going to bed, I review my lessons and plan my next day. Since maintaining a healthy lifestyle is important, I try to exercise regularly. Even though my schedule is busy, I always make time for learning English. These sentences will help you sound more natural and confident. Bullseye Part 8. IELTS Speaking Style Answer. Microphone voiceover. Question. Tell me about your daily routine. Sample answer. Well, I have a fairly organized daily routine. I usually wake up at around 6 o'clock in the morning. After freshening up, I have breakfast and prepare for my daily activities. During the day, I either attend classes or work on my personal and professional goals. I try to stay productive and manage my time efficiently. In the evening, I spend some time reading books, learning English, or developing new skills. I also exercise regularly because it helps me stay healthy and energetic. At night, I have dinner with my family and spend some quality time with them. Before going to bed, I review my plans for the following day. Overall, I believe that maintaining a disciplined daily routine helps me achieve my goals and improve myself continuously. Fire Part 9. 100 Daily Routine Speaking Sentences. 1. I wake up early. 2. I make my bed. 3. I brush my teeth. 4. I wash my face. 5. I take a shower. 6. I comb my hair. 7. I get dressed. 8. I have breakfast. 9. I drink water. 10. I drink tea. 11. I leave home. 12. I go to school. 13. I attend classes. 14. I listen carefully. 15. I take notes. 16. I learn new things. 17. I ask questions. 18. I answer questions. 19. I participate in class. 20. I return home. 21. I have lunch. 22. I rest for a while. 23. I complete my homework. 24. I study English. 25. I read books. 26. I write notes. 27. I practice speaking. 28. I improve my vocabulary. 29. I watch educational videos. 30. I learn new skills. 31. I help my family. 32. I clean my room. 33. I organize my desk. 34. I water plants. 35. I spend time with friends. 36. I exercise regularly. 37. I walk in the park. 38. I listen to podcasts. 39. I use the internet. 40. I check my emails. 41. I work on my goals. 42. I stay focused. 43. I stay motivated. 44. I solve problems. 45. I learn from mistakes. 46. I stay positive. 47. I manage my time. 48. I prepare for exams. 49. I revise lessons. 50. I practice English daily. 51. I watch television. 52. I listen to music. 53. I enjoy my hobbies. 54. I play sports. 55. I stay active. 56. I eat healthy food. 57. I drink enough water. 58. I avoid wasting time. 59. I set daily goals. 60. I complete important tasks. 61. I stay disciplined. 62. I remain productive. 63. I work hard. 64. I help others. 65. I learn continuously. 66. I think positively. 67. I improve every day. 68. I stay confident. 69. I stay organized. 70. I follow a schedule. 71. I complete assignments. 72. I spend time with family. 73. I enjoy conversations. 74. I develop good habits. 75. I prepare dinner. 76. I have dinner. 77. I relax in the evening. 78. I reflect on my day. 79. I plan for tomorrow. 80. I review my goals. 81. I say my prayers. 82. I feel grateful. 83. I prepare for bed. 84. I turn off my phone. 85. I go to bed. 86. I sleep peacefully. 87. I wake up refreshed. 88. I start my day positively. 89. I remain focused. 90. I keep learning. 91. I stay determined. 92. I build confidence. 93. I practice communication. 94. I improve my speaking skills. 95. I achieve my goals. 96. I maintain discipline. 97. I enjoy life. 98. I stay healthy. 99. I keep moving forward. 100. I become a better version of myself every day.
Microfone outro.
My dear friends, learning English is not about memorizing difficult grammar rules. It is about using English every day with confidence and consistency. If you practice speaking about your daily routine for just 10 to 15 minutes every day, you will notice significant improvement in your fluency, vocabulary, pronunciation, and confidence. Remember, every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. The difference is that they practiced every day and never gave up. So, stand in front of a mirror today and start talking about your daily routine in English. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of the learning process. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep improving. Thank you for watching. This is Uzal Hussain Sabaz from SS Express Media. See you in the next spoken English lesson. Stay motivated, stay confident, and keep speaking English every day. Studio microphone sparkles.